The CW5-BBS polypropylene wound heavy-duty filtration cartridge works in Culligan model HD-950A whole house filtration systems. Perfect for residential homes, helps protect appliances and pluming from sediment and scale. Features a flow rate of 8 GPM and filter life of 4 months/16,000 gallons, depending on usage and water conditions. Reduces sediment, rust, scale, dirt, coarse sand, fine sand, extra fine sand and silt. The HD-950A housing has been tested and certified by WQA against NSF/ANSI Standard 42 for material saferty and structural integrity.Micron rating of 5. The smaller the micron rating, the smaller size patricle the cartridge will filter. Compatible with Culligan model HD-950A.5 Micron heavy-duty sediment filter cartridge.Polypropylene wound, more effective on well water.Cartridge life of 4 months, 16,000 gallons. 5 micron heavy-duty sediment filter cartridge. Polypropylene wound, more effective on well water. Cartridge life of 4 months, 16,000 gallons. Reduces sediment, scale, rust, dirt, coarse sand, fine sand, extra fine sand, silt. Extra whole house filtration of very fine sediment particles. Product description: the CW5-BBS premium whole house filter for the reduction of extra fine sediment to provide visibly clearer water that helps protect your appliances and keeps your faucets flowing freely. From the manufacturer, 5 micron level 4 heavy-duty whole house polypropylene sediment filter cartridge reduces sediment, rust, scale, dirt, coarse sand, fine sand, extra fine sand and silt. 16,000 gallon capacity, 4-month average usage. Top reviews from the United States. Works great. So 20 years ago I bought my house. It came with the Culligan whole house water filter. Well, you would be simply amazed at what's in your water. You might think you have the cleanest home water on earth till you have one of these. The city I live in constantly passes all these water tests, but wow, seeing is believing. It can't be my pipes, cause well, the pipes were replaced in full after being almost 50 years old, and yep, I still get dirty filters, so it must be getting something from my water. Honestly, I would never not have some water filter, as even the fact that I have to only replace a filter every 60 days or so, and I joke even my toilet water is filtered. It's the water that's going into our bodies that is not at least filtered, and all you will say is wow after 60 days on your water. We think we have good water till we try this. It might not be so successful on chemicals, but I will take what I can get. I also love the people who say I never drink the water in the house. Yup, and you don't take a shower or have a dishwasher either. For the $40 the unit cost me and the roughly $6 a month it cost me for a filter, I will gladly change the filter.